This is the Genie GMT 3-button garage door remote. To replace the battery, begin by turning the remote over and sliding the plastic plate downward from the back of the unit. You can use the edge of the removed plastic plate to carefully slide the old battery out of its holder. Avoid applying excessive pressure to the circuit board or metal contacts. This remote uses one CR2032 coin cell battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery into the compartment. Make sure it is seated securely and positioned in the same direction as the battery you removed. Once the new battery is installed, align the plastic backplate with the remote. Slide it upward until it locks firmly into place. Press one of the remote buttons to test it. The red indicator light should illuminate, confirming that the battery has been installed correctly. That's it! The battery replacement is complete.